Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different legs.
We have learnt the word dog, cat, cow, horse. This, that, he, and they. Tell your partner the word for dog. Yes, kota means dog. Tell your partner the word for cat. Yes, bujigan means cat. Tell your partner the word for cow. Yes, buliki means cow. Tell your partner the word for horse. Yes, Yarman means horse. Tell your partner the word for this. Yes, ye means this. Tell your partner the word for that. Yes, ngayun means that. Tell your partner the word for he. Yes, nyulu means he. Tell your partner the word for they. Yes, Dana means they. Tell your partner the word for dog. Tell your partner the word for cat. Tell your partner the word for cow. Tell your partner the word for horse. Tell your partner the word for this. Tell your partner the word for that. Tell your partner the word for he. Tell your partner the word for they. Wanderer, I'm Trevor. This is Dora and Nat. Today I'm going to start teaching you a song. Kunbu Bamoi, the family song.
Ngamu babaa yaba gaanhaal timgur kami. Ngati babi kami. Ngatu pama.
Ngamu means mother. Papa means father. Yapa means big brother. Gaanhaal means big sister. Tell your partner the word for my. Yes, ngatu means my. Tell your partner the word for my. Mother,
Track the word as I speak.
ngamu. Ngamu is mother. Say nga. Say mu. Say ngamu. Say ngamu. Say ngamu. Say ngamu. Say to your partner, mother. Father.
Track the word as I speak.
Papa. Papa is father. Say ba. Say ba. Say bapa. Say bapa. Say bapa. Say bapa. Say to your partner, father. Older brother,
Track the word as I speak.
yapa. Yapa is big brother. Say ya. Say ba. Say yapa. Say yapa. Say yapa. Say yapa. Say to your partner, big brother. Big sister,
Track the word as I speak.
gaanhaal. Gaanhaal is big sister. Say ga. Say now. Say gaanhaal. Say gaanhaal. Say gaanhaal. Say gaanhaal. Say to your partner, big sister.
Ngamu babaa yaba gaanhaal tinggur kakak kami. Ngati babi kami. Yingatu bama.
Sing with me.
Ngamu babaa yaba gaanhaal tinggur kakak kami. Ngati babi kami. Yingatu bama.
Now you sing. Let's read the word we need to remember. Ngamu means mother, babaa means father, yaba means big brother, gaanhaal is big sister. This is the end of the lesson, so it's time to say goodbye. Namagara.
Namagara.